this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix your PS5 not connecting to Wi-Fi. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Starting off on the PS5 home screen right here, what you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top right and select the little settings icon right here. It's going to look like a little gear, and then from here go to the network settings and make sure that connect to the internet is turned on. If it's off, your PS5 literally will not connect at all. So go to settings, turn on connect to internet, and then from here what you're going to want to do is select settings and go to the set up internet connection tab right here. If you're using Wi-Fi, select your wireless network from the list and enter in your Wi-Fi password carefully. If you're using, Ethernet, go ahead and scroll down until you see set up wired LAN and select that, and then this will connect directly to a LAN cable, which is usually more stable. If your PS5 still is not connecting though, go ahead and find your network on here and just highlight it, and in this case I am using a LAN network. Go ahead and hit the little options button just like so, and then select advanced settings and double check your password in this option. But what you're really going to want to do is go to your DNS settings and change them from automatic to manual, and then use Google's DNS. Now the primary DNS is going to be 8.8.8.8, and then the secondary DNS is going to be 8.8.4.4. After entering that in, go ahead and hit OK and you're good to go. And once everything is saved for you, go ahead and go back to the home screen and then just hit your PlayStation button on your controller, go down to this little power button here, select this, and then hit restart PS5. This is going to close all of your games, all of your apps, and just like that, you should be good to go. That is how you can fix your PS5 not connecting to Wi-Fi. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.